Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen again. Today we're going to be making this beautiful pico de gallo and also this guacamole. You can use these as an appetizer, served with tortilla chips as I'm doing here, or you can also use it as toppings for other dishes like the chicken tacos that I made in the other video I uploaded. So don't forget to watch that. Stay tuned for the recipe and let's get cooking. So first I'm going to chop one onion. Half of the onion will go in the pico de gallo and the other half will go in the guacamole. So you just want to chop this up. Guys, please ignore these yellow marks on my cutting board. I put down a spoon that had turmeric on it and it just absorbed into the wood and changed the color of the cutting board. So you just want to kind of finely chop your onion. Then I'm going to just chop a big sized jalapeno. So half went in the bowl for the pico de gallo and the other half will go in the bowl for the guacamole. Now for the tomatoes for the pico de gallo, you just want to take, I'm just going to show you how to do one of the tomatoes. You want to make sure to deseed them, otherwise the pico de gallo will become too watery. Now I'm just going to chop some cilantro. Fresh cilantro is a must for both guacamole and the pico de gallo. It just adds a nice freshness and bright flavor. And I'm going to divide this for both the guac and the pico de gallo as I did the onions. So now in the bowl for the pico de gallo, I've already added the onions, the tomatoes, jalapeno, and the coriander I chopped. So now I'm just going to squeeze in a little bit of lemon juice. Then you want to add some salt. A little sprinkle of black pepper. And then just mix everything up. So that's pretty much it. The pico de gallo is done. And you just want to put this in the fridge and let it sit for a few hours. So on to the guacamole now. I'm going to just show you quickly how to cut an avocado. So you just want to slice through the middle. Twist to open it. Look at how beautiful this avocado is. Then to remove the seed, just take the knife and insert it into the seed and then just twist the knife and your hand like that, and the seed just comes out very easily. And then you just want to cut the avocado and just take a spoon and just scoop all of the avocado out. So just like that, you'll see the pieces of avocado in here, and I'm going to do the same with this one. Now I'm going to squeeze some lemon in here, a little black pepper, not too much because we added the half jalapeno in here, salt. As I mix this up, I'm going to also kind of mash the avocado. And the reason I added the avocado seed in here is that so the avocado doesn't change its color and become like a brown. I mean, the lemon juice will also help, but adding the seed back is really going to help. So after mixing this really well, this is what the guac is looking like. So now you just want to put this in the fridge. So this is one way of serving the Pico de Gallo and our beautiful guacamole. You can serve it with tortilla chips. If you watch my chicken tacos video that I posted simultaneously with this video, you will see that I used the Pico de Gallo and the guacamole as a topping for the chicken tacos. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you tried this in your kitchen as always. And if you do, please let me know how you liked it and comment in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe as always. And take care, guys. Bye.